I generally find the best way to teach completing the square is just to give a very clear example. That's what I seem to do all the time in my math tutorials, so I'm going to do it here. So I'm just going to start doing it and just kind of vaguely talk you through it. I separate out the 2 straight away, but I leave the 1 at the end. And I've used square brackets because I'm saving my sort of rounded brackets for in a minute when I think they're more useful. So now I complete the square inside those square brackets. Everything outside the square brackets, nothing's changing. Notice, let's just be clear about this, I've just completed the square. The bit I've underlined in red, it looks different but it hasn't changed, and everything outside, done nothing to it. Then I can multiply out that square bracket. And then I can just simplify what's left on the right hand side. And that's my final answer. Hopefully that's been helpful.